Imagine you find a magical ball. It can give you anything you want, a big palace, tons of food, or lots of money. But what if your wishes destroy everything you love? Today we will look at a story about a boy, a crystal ball, and a big mistake. Let's start! Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Leo. He lived in a peaceful green village. One day, Leo walked into a dark forest. There, he found a mysterious glowing crystal ball. Leo picked up the ball. A soft voice from inside said, "I can give you anything you wish for." Leo simply wished for a warm coat. Instantly, his wish came true, and he returned to the village with a big smile. Soon, the villagers found out about the magical ball. Suddenly, they became very greedy. An old man took the ball and wished for a magnificent golden palace. A woman stepped up and wished for all the food in the world, overloading the market. Everyone started making crazy wishes. The beautiful village turned into a noisy, chaotic mess. Leo looked around and felt sad. He realized that greed was destroying his beautiful home. He held the crystal ball tightly and said, "I wish everything goes back to normal." In a flash of light, the golden palace and all the chaos disappeared into thin air. The village became peaceful once again. Leo smiled, knowing that being satisfied with what you have is the true happiness. Moral of the story: contentment brings true happiness, while greed brings destruction. Be happy with what you have.